Alright you guys, today we're going to place this Whirlpool commercial washer in a test mode. The reason we want to do that is because we just got done with the repair and we want to make sure that our repair did the trick. Now, if you look at the regime knob, it has 3 positions. We start with the middle position. We're going to toggle it left, middle, right, middle, left, middle, right, middle, right. You notice those lights started blinking. At this point, you can choose which one of the test modes you want to start. For example, your manual test mode. So that's it. We started the manual test mode. Upon pressing the start button, the lid lock is going to engage. Bam. Cold water. Hot water. It sounds like the drain is doing just fine too. So yeah, so on and so forth. And you're gonna have your spin, your agitation, all that good stuff. Alright you guys, thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.